The Acura NSX is a high-performance sports car that combines advanced technology, precision engineering, and luxurious design. Below are detailed specifications and features of the Acura NSX. Overview manufacturer Acura Honda's luxury division. Production years first generation 1990 to 2005, second generation to 016 to 022. Class sports car, supercar, body style two-door coupe, layout mid-engine, all-wheel drive AWD, second generation, 2016 to 2022 specifications engine and performance engine type hybrid powertrain with a twin-turbocharged V6 engine and 3 electric motors, internal combustion engine 3.5 LDOH CV6, electric motors 1. Integrated with the engine, total power output 573 horsepower for 127 kilowatts combined, torque for 176 pounds ft 645 newton meters, transmission 9-speed dual clutch automatic, 0 to 60 miles per hour approximately 2.9 seconds. Top speed 191 miles per hour 307 kilometers per hour. Drivetrain all-wheel drive AWD. Sport hybrid super handling. All-wheel drive SHAWD. Torque vectoring electric motors on the front wheels provide independent torque distribution for improved handling. Chassis and suspension chassis aluminum intensive space frame with carbon fiber floor. Suspension independent front and rear suspension with adaptive dampers. Dimensions length 176.0 and 4000 for 170 millimeters. Width 76.3 in 1938 millimeters. Height 47.8 in 1214 millimeters. Wheelbase 103.5 in 2629 millimeters. Curb weight 3,878 pounds, 1,759 kilograms. Interior features: seating to passenger cockpit, materials premium leather, Alcantara and carbon fiber accents. Infotainment, Acura Precision Cockpit with dual touch screens. Upper screen, navigation and performance data. Lower screen, climate control and settings. Audio system, L Studio Premium Audio System. Connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, USB ports. Exterior design. Aerodynamics, sleek, low-profile design with active aerodynamics. Lighting, full LED headlights and taillights. Wheels, 19-inch front and 20-inch. Rear alloy wheels, optional forged wheels. Technology, hybrid system, combines internal combustion engine with electric motors for enhanced performance and efficiency. Drive modes, quiet EV mode, Sport, Sport Plus, and track modes. Regenerative braking, captures energy during braking to recharge the battery. Safety features, Acura Watch Suite includes collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and more. Advanced airbag system dual stage front airbags, side airbags and knee airbags. Legacy and competitors. The Acura NSX is often compared to supercars like the Porsche 911 Turbo, Audi R8, and McLaren 570S. It is celebrated for its balance of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge hybrid technology. Let me know if you'd like more details about a specific aspect of the Acura NSX.